This story began some years ago in Humboldt, in those days a small town situated about 50 kilometers from the city of Santa Fe, capital of the province. It is the heart of dairy-made region and agriculture more important in Latin America. It started with a dream that was crystallized ideas. Every great company has its story, and our family began the poultry farming as an annex to our daily rural task. One of the sons has a desire to grow this business, so he decided to settle with the family in the city of Buenos Aires to sell the products directly to public. There was much effort, dedication, and a lot of nostalgia, but with an unbroken will and unconditional support of the family, the sales and the production were growing at the same time. It was then that he began the manufacture of foodstuff in a very precarious way for the birds. So a new challenge was born. It was eventually extended, and finally the idea became a reality. And this is our present. Agroservicios Humboldt, Carnaves Poultry Farm and Poultry Company, CEM Group, where ideas merge. The first link in our chain is the agribusiness division. We have a clear objective, being together to the producers. In this business unit, we deal with the primary production of cereal crop systems itself association and to develop new strategies in the agriculture company, providing our customers producers with agricultural inputs, services and machinery needed for planting and care of crops, working in partnership with leading firms in the market. Another of our major activities in this sector is the multiplication and control of wheat and soybeans, providing high-quality seed, whose harvest will serve as raw material for the next link in this chain. The collection of cereals is based on the excellence of services provided customers' producers. We have an oil industry which produces soy pellet by thermopressed. Our brand Adigan is strongly positioned in the animal nutrition market. Its strategy is based on the quality of manufactured products. It also stands out the pre- and post-sales filled by nutritionists and veterinarians. All our products are approved by SENASA and have protocols of quality that it demands our certification ISO 9001. This means that each raw material that gets in the plant is subjected to strict quality control and ensures total traceability. A high level of technical, industrial and biotechnological developments have allowed us to launch differentiated products with a wide marketing network covering much of the Argentine territory. This division has also developed markets in other countries of Mercosur as well as in Europe and Africa. Adding value to our integration, we develop the production and marketing of pet food, competing in different markets with brands Ulises, Iron Pet, Super Pet and Can Feed. Here, we develop the production of broiler chickens in vertically integrated way, starting from the breeding of the chicken to obtain the broiler ready for consumption. In the first link in the productive chain, we obtain fertile eggs, which after being incubated in the latest machines, give birth to chicks BB, which are transported to warehouses for fattening their own or under the system integration. These warehouses for fattening have cutting-edge technology and allows raising a chicken in a comfortable air-conditioned environment, ensuring animal welfare. The slaughter of the birds, we do it in a modern processing plant, enabled by the national watchdog SENASA and respecting the rules of hygiene and food safety demanding. As a final product under the brand Carnave, we get whole chickens, cut up and processed with a high added value. We perform the logistics of transportation by own units to own local distribution and retailing in much of the country, thus ensuring a seamless care throughout the journey. We convert all subproducts and organic wastes generated in the process of proteins operating in industrial use. The remaining liquid wastes are treated in modern effluent treatment plant, complying with existing environmental legal regulations and respecting the care of our ecosystem. We do local marketing in retail-owned or through service-to-retail sales through an extensive branch network, where we also offer meat and cheese in our stores. In this way, we get to each point of sale with fresh and reliable products. The egg production activity begins with the raising of hens 1 day old until they attain the maturity needed to start the egg-laying cycle for consumption. At this time, the birds are housed in modern farms with Italian technology, which provide a controlled environment and availability of food and water in a fully automated, ensuring comfort during the entire cycle. A professional team ensures compliance with all quality standards, animal welfare and biosecurity of the farm. The combination of the choice of the best genetic lines of position and a comfortable environment allow us to obtain high-quality fresh eggs, which are transported by automatic conveyor belt to the center of grading and packing. We select and classify the entire production automatically through the latest equipment, meeting the specifications of the world's most demanding markets. These features include UV rays sterilization, sorting by weight of each egg and the printing on each unit of the date of laying and the lot to which it belongs, allowing traceability of the product from its origin. The final destination of selected eggs is by one side, the domestic market, which are packaged in boxes of half or a dozen, or in packs of 15 dozen with Carnave brands and Esvida. Fulfilling our main goal of continuing to add value, it is important to note that some of this production is destined for industrialization, so we move the egg to our modern processing plant. Once the quality inspection is ready, the raw material gets in the respective production lines, where the egg is broken by a mechanized system. The obtained liquid is derived to a storage chamber, then pasteurized and packaged as such or derived to dehydrated chambers. The final products we obtain are whole egg, albumin and yolk liquid or powder. This whole system is rigorously inspected by our own laboratory that performs ongoing tracking and analysis, ensuring the safety of our egg products and full traceability of the production chain, according to current market demand stricter. Our processes have a HACCP safety management system certified by the Norske Veritas of the Netherlands, which allows us access to the demanding market of the European community. Major brands such as Bagley, Arcor, AGD, Unilever, Danica and Nestlé, among others, use our products as inputs in manufacturing processes, which can be found in the main supermarket chains in the country. Our business philosophy is to integrate sustainable activities, creating value from regional raw materials. In this way, catering to different markets with products known for high quality, caring for the environment and based socially responsible management. CEM Group, where ideas merge.